Anyone?
Sir, Sangu.
Yes, sir. Yes.
No problem.
In case of insulator, the forbidden energy band is wide.
Okay.
It
First
varies
point.
from 3 to 10 electronic volt.
Okay. Second point.
Second point, in insulator, the valence electron are bounded very tightly to their parent atoms.
Okay. Third point.
They have high resistivity or low conductivity.
Okay. These are the what is the resistivity? It is of the order of
Order of 10 raised to 8 to 10 raised to 15 ohm meter.
okay. Then next one.
Yes, sir.
Electrons
Semiconductor.
can
Okay. Second one. Second semiconductor. Any other?
Semiconductor, sir. In case of semiconductor, the forbidden band is very small. It varies from 0.2 to 2 electron volt.
Okay.
At absolute zero temperature, no electron has energy to jump from valence band to conduction band. Hence, the crystal is an insulator. And
Okay.
third point is charge carriers are electron as well as holes.
Okay. These are the 3 points from the
And
semiconductors. And examples.
Conductors,
Examples of semiconductors first.
silicon and germanium.
Okay, these are the examples of semiconducting materials. Then third point, 3 points from metals.
Conductors.
Okay.
In conductors, there is no forbidden band gap. Valence band and conduction band overlap with each other. Due to absence of forbidden band, there is no structure to establish holes. The total current in it is simply a flow of electrons. And third point, the charge carriers only electrons. Example, copper, aluminium, etc.
These are the
आणि
examples. Okay. Copper, aluminium, and what is band gap? Copper. Copper
58 into 10 raised to
the
6
conductivity of copper is 58 into 10 raised to 6 mho per meter.
mho
What
per
is
meter.
conductivity
आणि
of silver is
68 into 10 to the power 6 mho per meter.
68 into 10 raised to 6 mho per meter.
Mho per meter.
Okay, then next article write it Fermi level. Fermi level. Fermi level. Listen please. In Fermi, we know that in metals, metal मध्ये काय असतं? Lower energy bands are filled first. Then this is the inner field. Lower bands are there. They are completely filled with electrons. Is at 0 Kelvin. At 0 Kelvin temperature, lower bands are filled first. Then at the time of filling of this highest band, lower levels are filled first, then next lowest, then next lowest, then next lowest, and so on. This is highest filled state. Our highest filled energy level is called as Fermi level. Okay. Example घेतला आपण लिथियमचा atomic number किती आहे लिथियमचा lithium atomic number
3.
3.
3.
Okay. In lithium,
3.
which band is completely filled? Lithium metal.
1s,
lithium crystal.
1s, 1s.
वन एस बँड इज कम्प्लिटली फिल्ड कशामध्ये मेटल मध्ये आणि लिथियम ऍटम मध्ये काय असतात लेवल्स असतात आणि लिथियम मेटल मध्ये काय असतात एनर्जी बँड्स असतात ओके डिफरन्स कळते का एनर्जी बँड आणि एनर्जी लेवल्स मधला एनर्जी लेवल्स कशाच्या म्हणजे आपण जे प्रॉपर्टी आहे ऍटमच्या प्रॉपर्टी सांगताना कुठली डायग्राम काढतो एनर्जी लेवल डायग्राम आणि मेटलच्या किंवा क्रिस्टलच्या प्रॉपर्टी सांगताना कुठली डायग्राम काढतो आपण एनर्जी बँड डायग्राम बरोबर आहे का okay in lithium metal first 1s band is completely filled at the time of filling of this 2s band lower levels are filled first then next lowest then next lowest then next lowest and so on this highest filled state or highest filled energy level is called as Fermi level means all the energy levels below the Fermi level they are completely filled and all the energy states or all the energy levels above the Fermi level, they are completely empty. This level is called as, this highest field level is called as, highest field state or highest field level is called as which level?
Fermi level.
Fermi level. Okay?
Fermi level.
Okay, in case of sodium, sodium, atomic number of sodium is
11.
11.
11.
Okay. Which bands are completely filled?
1S, 2S,
2
2P,
S,
2P,
2P.
2P.
Okay, 1 years, 2 years, 2p. These bands are completely filled with electrons. And which bands are empty? Okay, 1s band is completely filled, 2s is
3S.
completely filled, 2p is completely filled. And at the time of filling of this highest band, means 3s band, lower levels are filled first, then the next lowest, and so on. This highest filled level or highest filled state is called as Fermi level. Means all the energy state below the Fermi level, they are completely filled with electrons, at which temperature? 0 Kelvin. And all the energy state
0 Kelvin.
above the Fermi level, they are empty at 0 Kelvin. Okay, draw this figure first. Right, title Fermi level. Draw this figure. Everyone, please draw. Others, please mute. Maitre, draw this figure. Show energy arrow. Show this completely filled energy band. Then, at the time of filling of this highest band, lower levels are filled first. This highest field level is called as Fermi level. Show this EF below here in front of this level, highest field state. And temperature is 0 Kelvin. Okay, temperature is 0 Kelvin. Title is Fermi level. Okay, title is Fermi level. The figure is over. Figure is completed.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
then
sir.
Yes, sir.
okay,
Yes,
then write
sir.
it. A solid is, write it. A solid is, write explanation. Solid is composed. Solid is composed of n atoms. Solid is composed of n atoms. N atom implies that solid is composed of n atoms. Implies that IMPLIES implies that each atomic level each atomic level splits into n energy levels. Implies that each atomic level splits into n energy levels. Oh, mute. Borade. Mute. Each energy level splits into each implies that each atomic level splits into n energy levels, and the bands of energy are formed, Okay, once again, a solid is composed of n atoms, implies that each atomic level splits into n energy levels, and the bands of energy are formed. Next, the filling of the band. The filling of the band follows. The filling of the bands follows a simple rule. The filling of the bands follows a simple rule. States that the filling of the band follows a simple rule. States that filling of the bands follows a simple rule. States that states of the lower energy are filled first. states of lower energy levels, states of lowest energy are filled first. States of lowest energy are filled first. States of lowest energy are filled first. Then the next lowest states of lowest energy are filled first and filled first. Then the next lowest, and so on and so on till all the electrons are accommodated, till all the electrons are accommodated, A double C O double M O D A T E D, till all the electrons are accommodated, till all the electrons are accommodated, till all the electrons are accommodated. Then write definition of Fermi level. Anyone, what is definition? The highest field state.
The
Anyone?
highest field state at 0 Kelvin is called Fermi level.
Okay, right definition. The highest field state at 0 Kelvin. The highest field state at 0 Kelvin is called. The highest field state at 0 Kelvin is called the Fermi level. The highest field state at 0 Kelvin is called the Fermi level. And its corresponding energy is called the Fermi energy, and its corresponding energy is called the Fermi energy. Anyone read the definition? The highest field state at
At
0 Kelvin.
The highest
is
field
called the
state.
Fermi
Fermi level,
And
and
it-
its corresponding energy is called the Fermi energy.
Okay, then write next line. At 0 Kelvin, all states at 0 Kelvin, all the states up to EF at 0 Kelvin, all the states up to EF are full. At 0 Kelvin, all the states up to EF are full, and all states above EF at 0 Kelvin, all the states up to EF are full, and all states above EF are empty. All states above EF are empty. Okay, this is the Fermi level. Then next slide, Fermi. Next article, write it. Fermi Dirac, DIRAC. Fermi Dirac probability distribution function. 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 Now listen, please. Stop writing, listen. Here, see, this is the energy arrow. At 0 Kelvin, lower energy levels are filled first. At 0 Kelvin, lower levels are filled first. Means, this is inner filled band, completely filled band. Then at the time of filling of the highest band, lower levels are filled first, then next lowest, then next lowest, then next lowest, and so on. Means at 0 Kelvin, all the energy states below the Fermi level, they are completely filled, and all the energy states above the Fermi level, they are empty. If temperature is greater than 0, then what will happen? कोण सांगताय? 0 Kelvin ला काय असतंय? Lower levels completely filled. Higher levels, they are empty. If temperature is greater than 0, then what will happen? कोण सांगताय?
Electrons from lowest energy level jumps to higher energy level.
Okay, electrons from lower level jump from lower level to the higher level. Okay, If temperature is greater than 0, then electrons jump from lower energy states to the higher energy state. Means here this expression F of E means probability of electron occupancy of any energy state E. The probability of electron occupancy of in any energy state E. For example, she assumed that this E, energy state E, is below the Fermi level. Okay, this E is below the Fermi level here. Then at 0 Kelvin, what is probability of this energy state E? F of E means probability of energy state E. Probability of electron occupancy of this energy state E. Okay, if temperature is 0 Kelvin, then what is probability? इलेक्ट्रॉन असण्याची प्रोबॅबिलिटी किती आहे? 1 आहे का 0 आहे? कम्प्लिटली फिल्ड म्हणजे काय आहे? लक्षात येते का? एफ ऑफ ई म्हणजे प्रोबॅबिलिटी ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन ऑक्युपन्सी ऑफ दिस एनर्जी स्टेट ई. ई कुठं आहे? बिलो दी फर्मी लेवल. टेम्परेचर किती ठेवलंय आपण? टी ची व्हॅल्यू किती आहे? टी ची व्हॅल्यू किती ठेवतोय? 0 केल्विन. त्यावेळेस ई लेवल, एनर्जी लेवल ई कम्प्लिटली फिल्ड असणार आहे का एम्प्टी असणार आहे? 0 केल्विनला
Completely filled.
ओके, कम्प्लिटली फिल्ड म्हणजे एफ ऑफ ई ची व्हॅल्यू काय असणार आहे? 0 का 1? 1. समजा दिस एनर्जी स्टेट इज अबव दी फर्मी लेवल. इथं असेल या 0 केल्विनला. इज अबव दी फर्मी लेवल. देन इन दिस केस, या केस मध्ये किती असणार आहे? एफ ऑफ ई 0 केल्विनचा चालू आहे. 0 केल्विन. एफ ऑफ ई काय असणार आहे? एफ ऑफ ई काय असणार आहे? 0. एफ ऑफ ई म्हणजे व्हॉट इज एफ ऑफ ई?
Probability of
electron occupancy.
Okay, electron असण्याची probability of electron occupancy of this energy state E at temperature T. At temperature T Kelvin. If T is equal to 0, then if E is below the Fermi level, it is T is equal to 0. E is below the Fermi level, then F of E is equal to 1. If T is equal to 0, E is above the Fermi level, then 0. If T is not 0, T is greater than 0. In this case, some electrons they transfer from
lower energy states to
lower energy state to the above energy state.
Higher energy.
त्यावेळेस जी प्रोबॅबिलिटी काढणार आहे त्याच्यासाठी जे एक्सप्रेशन वापरतो आपण मीन्स एफ ऑफ ई मीन्स प्रोबॅबिलिटी ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन ऑक्युपन्सी ऑफ दिस एनी एनर्जी स्टेट ई at temperature T Kelvin and that T is greater than 0 Kelvin. This function is called as this equation is called as याला काय म्हणतो आपण? फर्मी
direct
function.
Fermi direct probability distribution function. Means f of E is equal to 1 dividing by
1 plus e
raised to e minus ef upon kt.
Okay, 1 dividing by 1 plus e raised to e minus ef upon kt. What is f of E? F of E,
Probability of electron occupancy.
Of energy level.
okay, probability of electron occupancy of any energy level. कोण बोलतंय मध्ये? कोण बोलतंय अजून? म्यूट. बाकीचं ऐकायला येते मला. प्रोबॅबिलिटी ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन ऑक्युपन्सी ऑफ दिस एनर्जी स्टेट ई. बाकीचा आवाज आला तर मी बाहेर काढणार आहे मीटिंग मधून. कोण आहे? अश्विनी चव्हाण. चव्हाण अश्विनी.
सॉरी सर.
11 एक लेट आले. Probability of electron occupancy of any energy state E is called as F of E means probability of electron occupancy of any energy state E at temperature T Kelvin. त्या टेम्परेचरला त्या एनर्जी लेवलची प्रोबॅबिलिटी किती आहे ते आपण काढतो. त्याला म्हणतो एफ ऑफ ई. 1 डिवायडिंग बाय 1 प्लस ई रेस टू. ई म्हणजे काय आहे? व्हॉट इज ई?
Energy of any energy level.
Energy of any energy level. EF means
Fermi energy.
Fermi energy. EF means Fermi energy and K means
Boltzmann constant.
Boltzmann constant. And T, what is T?
Temperature.
Temperature is Kelvin. Okay. The definition of the Fermi direct probability distribution function is the expression that governs this expression. The expression that governs the distribution of electrons, okay, distribution of electrons amongst the energy levels. The expression that governs the distribution of electrons amongst the energy levels as a function of temperature, is known as Fermi direct probability distribution function. Are you getting definition? The expression that governs
That
distribution of
governs the
The
distribution
distribution of electrons
Of
among the energy
electrons
level
among the energy level as a function
as a
of
function temperature is known as Fermi direct probability distribution function.
Okay, write it now first. Definition, write it. The expression that governs GOVERNS, the expression that governs the distribution of electrons, the expression that governs the distribution of electrons among the expression that governs the distribution of electrons among the energy levels as a function of temperature the expression that governs the distribution of electrons among the energy levels as a function of temperature is known as Fermi direct probability distribution function, is known as Fermi direct probability distribution function. Draw this figure once again. Draw it. Okay, show any energy level above or below. Okay, a completely filled band, then EF, show any energy level E above or below anywhere. Write equation F of E is equal to F of E is equal to 1 dividing by 1 plus e raised to F of E is equal to 1 dividing by 1 plus e raised to E minus EF upon KT. F of E is equal to 1 dividing by 1 plus e raised to E minus EF upon KT, where F of E is equal to probability of electron occupancy, OCCUPANCY, probability of electron occupancy of energy level E, capital E, energy of any energy level, capital E is energy of any energy level. EF is a Fermi energy. This is Fermi energy. K Boltzmann constant, BOLTZ, Boltzmann constant, and last T. T is temperature. T is the temperature. Okay, written? Over, na? Anyone, please? Definition plus.
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay.
Yes.
The expression, anyone who will define once again, tell with the definition. New number I will tell. 26. Namrata Kumar. Definition of Fermi direct probability distribution function.
The expression that governs the distribution of electrons among the energy levels as a function of temperature is known as Fermi direct probability distribution of function.
Okay, the expression that governs the distribution of electrons among the energy levels as a function of temperature is known as Fermi direct probability distribution function. What is that? F of E is equal to 1 dividing by F of E is equal to 1 dividing by 1 plus e raised to E minus EF upon KT. Okay. Okay. Next line. Then write case number 1. Case first. Write it at T is equal to 0 Kelvin. T is equal to 0 Kelvin. T is equal to 0 Kelvin. Anyone? What about T is equal to 0 Kelvin? कोण सांगताय?
F of E equal to 1.
T is equal to 0 Kelvin. T is equal to 0 Kelvin and E is below the Fermi level. E is below the Fermi level.
F of E equal to 1.
F of E is equal to 1.
1.
ने लिहावा लागेल ना आपल्याला T is equal to 0 Kelvin, right? Case number 1. At T is equal to 0 Kelvin, for any energy level, E is below the Fermi level. See, E, this is below the Fermi level. That is, E is less than E. Sorry, E is less than EF. E is less than EF. Everyone, please put your roll number in chat box. प्रत्येकाने आपला रोल नंबर चॅट बॉक्स मध्ये टाकायचा आहे. Case number 1. Okay. At 0 Kelvin, for any energy level E below EF, that is E is less than EF, F of E is equal to, listen please, F of E is equal to 1 dividing by 1 plus E raised to E minus EF upon KT. Okay. If T is equal to 0, means 1 upon 0 means, anyone? 1 upon 0 means?
Infinity.
Why minus infinity here? Why I had written minus infinity here?
Because E is less than EF.
Because E is less than
Less
EF.
than EF.
Okay, E is less than EF means it is minus infinity. And E raised to minus infinity is, what is value of E raised to minus infinity?
0.
0.
Okay, means 1 plus 0 means 1. 1 upon 1 means we are getting 1. F of E is equal to 1. Write this one, case first, write it. At 0 Kelvin, for any energy level E below EF, that is E minus EF, F of E is equal to, write it, F of E is equal to 1 dividing by 1 plus E raised to E minus EF upon KT. Then next F of E is equal to 1 dividing by,
सर मायनस इन्फिनिटी कसं आलं सांगा.
कुठलं हे T किती घेतलंय आपण? T किती घेतलंय?
0.
T0 1 upon 0 किती येतो?
इन्फिनिटी.
आलं का लक्षात? ठीक आहे. आणि मायनस का आलं तर मायनस का आलं?
E is less than EF. E is less than EF.
आला e raised to minus infinity. 1 dividing by 1 plus e raised to minus infinity. Therefore, f of e is equal to 1 dividing by 1 plus 0 means f of e is equal to 1. What is conclusion? Right, last conclusion. At 0 Kelvin, conclusion. At 0 Kelvin,
All the states up to EF are full.
Okay, let it at 0 Kelvin, all the states up to EF. EF means Fermi level. Up to EF, they are completely filled. Okay, all the states up to EF are completely filled. Okay, this is the conclusion. Next, case 2. Case 2 काय असणार आहे हो? कोण सांगताय?
Fe is equal to 0.
हा, Fe is equal to 0. कधी असणार आहे ते? एनर्जी लेवल
Below
कुठं
the
असणार आहे?
Fermi level.
Is
Above the
Is
Fermi level.
above the Fermi level.
okay, above the Fermi level. See here, this is E. See, E is above the Fermi level, right? At 0 Kelvin, case number 2. At 0 Kelvin, for energy state E, above EF, for energy state E above EF, that is E is greater than EF, that is E is greater than EF, E is greater than EF, F of E is equal to, F of E is equal to 1 dividing by, F of E is equal to 1 dividing by 1 plus, E raised
E
to
raised to E minus
EF upon KT. T ची व्हॅल्यू किती टाकली आपण? केस 2 मध्ये T ची व्हॅल्यू किती आहे?
0.
1 upon 0 काय येणार आहे? 1 upon 0.
infinity.
1 upon 0 is
Infinity.
infinity. Okay, 1 upon कोण आहे? अनम्यूट करा. 1 upon 0 is infinity. ज्ञानेश्वर. Okay, 1 upon 0 is infinity. Why here plus infinity?
Above the
E is greater than EF.
E is greater than EF means E minus EF. This value of E minus EF is a positive. म्हणजे E raised to plus infinity. आणि E raised to plus infinity म्हणजे किती येत आहे? E raised to plus
Infinity.
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 1 plus infinity म्हणजे किती असणार आहे?
Infinity.
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 1 upon infinity किती असणार आहे?
0.
1 upon infinity काय असणार आहे? 0. Means
Zero.
F of E is equal to 0.
0.
What is conclusion? At 0 Kelvin, last conclusion.
Of the states above
Of the
Fermi
states
level, Fermi
EF
energy are empty.
are
Okay. Okay, at 0 Kelvin, all states above EF are empty. Okay, all the states above EF are empty. कुठल्या temperature ला? 0 Kelvin. Okay. Once again, anyone, what is definition of Fermi level? Last 2 minutes are remaining. Will revise. What is Fermi level?
highest filled
The
state.
expression
The highest
I will
filled
take the
state
names.
at 0 Kelvin is called the Fermi level.
Okay, I will take the names. Mirgane, Akansha.
the highest filled state at 0 Kelvin is called the Fermi level.
The highest filled state at 0 Kelvin is called as Fermi level. Then what is
Fermi
Fermi
level.
direct probability distribution function? कौन सांगते हैं? यादव, वैष्णवी. A55. Fermi direct probability distribution function.
The expression that governs the distribution of electrons among the energy level as a function of temperature is known as a Fermi direct probability distribution function.
Okay, correct. Then next, what is Fermi direct probability distribution function? Samarth, 44. A44. F of E is equal to, Samarth, 44. गायब आहेत. लेट जॉईन झालेले A31. उशिरा जॉईन झालेले A31.
Sir, Fe is equal to 1 upon 1 plus E raised to E minus EF upon KT.
Okay, Fe is equal to 1 dividing by 1 plus E raised to E minus EF upon KT. Roll number 11, late join. 11. What is two cases? Case number 1 and case number 2 conclusions.
Case number 1 at O Kelvin,
state,
0
0
Kelvin, all the
atmosphere.
states up to E of R full, and case 2
Ah,
at 0 Kelvin, all the states above E of R empty.
okay, at 0 Kelvin, all the states above EF are empty. Okay. Then next lecture we'll see Fermi level in, right? Title only. Last 1 minute. Fermi level in. Fermi level in. Intrinsic. Fermi level in intrinsic and extrinsic semiconductors. Fermi level in intrinsic and extrinsic semiconductors. Okay, we'll stop it here.